Hey folks, welcome back to the garage. Today I have a rather exciting thing to work on. No, wait!
It's a fresh shipment of junk, sleazy's garbage.
Sorry about that. I won't abuse that jingle, I promise. I have some really cool parts that I want to share. So, up first, you know where this is from. What do we got? This is the Steeda adjustable clutch quadrant. Some of you might be asking why when I have this one. Well, I don't know if you can see, but this is kind of like bent over here. See, yeah, so it's bent. And I had a lot of problems with broken clutch cables with this. Thanks, but seems like it needs a little anti-seize. Cool. This also has the double adjustable. This is from Amazon, and it is a master cylinder. The 2003 Mustang, I believe, with traction control or without it, I'm not sure. I don't know. But I think it matches the one that I have. I hope it does. Finally, another LMR box to use my Black Friday coupon. Before I get into this, I do want to mention that I did do a bit of reconditioning on some parts that I filmed, but I didn't add to my last video. So it does solve a problem. For instance, I have this. This is the bracket that the body harness connects to underneath the car for the rear brake lines. So I tried cleaning this up and it didn't look great, but this has like this nice gold iridite finish on it, and it also comes with the banjo connector, which I don't think I had on my old line. So this is the fuel filter bracket. Also has that nice gold iridite finish, but trying to clean up the old one was kind of a pain, and this comes with a new worm clamp. While I was doing my own research to figure out how I could fit a pinion snubber, I saw a picture of this adjustable one, and once again, I believe this will fit. The bar will come across this way. I won't have to worry about that piece coming across and impacting it, and it's adjustable. So there's my new pinion snubber. I do not remember what this is. Oh, yeah, so this is the sway bar relocation bracket if you're putting a, oh, that's weird. LMR, these bolts come pre-rusty. So if you're putting a SM95 sway bar in to fit the Coyote swap, this is the kit for that. I had mentioned that I had started reconditioning these. See, this isn't a really great paint job. I think from the factory this is like a zinc coating on it, and I wasn't really able to totally clean it up. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. Maybe I'll save it for a different Mustang build if I ever do another Foxbody. We will see. Okay, so those look like they'll fit this way, and then that, so that's good. But you do see the difference here, whereas this one was like here. This is adjusted all the way out. Interesting. I have a feeling that's gonna be super noisy. This. So that's gonna go off to the side, but I do need the hardware for this. You see the difference here. They were both pretty much the same, but obviously this is a better corrosion resistance, and I didn't have this. So I just have to hope that I have the right size rivets, pop rivets for that. So first thing we got to do is install this. We have to torque down the upper control arms, and then maybe we'll hang the rear control arms. We'll take a look at the axle. So I had a thought. Instead of trying to do the pop rivets on here, what if instead I put 1/4-inch rib nuts in both. Let's give it a try. What's the worst that could happen, right? I feel like this is in wrong. Like, how am I supposed to get anything to work with this? This should go like this. And this is getting a little annoying now because yeah, this is like so in the way of everything. This can't be right. I think if we could pitch forward a little bit. Maybe I have to bash this in a little bit. Okay. Looks like this gets worse every time I try to work with it. I tried bending this a little bit, but I'm gonna have to take this out. And then I'm gonna put everything back in, and then this will have to get pushed back in however it can. Maybe that's a mistake, but learn by doing, right? So here's the first thing I want to do, is flatten this out. This is a 3/8 drill bit. Now let's try this. Let's get underneath it. Pretty solid. Let's first put in 1, 2, 3. Big holes in these things. Again, this is gonna sound a little loud, so I'll deal with that when I get to it. But cool, that looks good. Now, with all this stuff back in here, Cool if this was 2 pieces and I could just bolt them together. Like, that's a direct problem. I don't even know what I can do with this. I have no idea. For the sake of the build, I could leave this off for now and come back to it. I don't know how well these will hold up, but I'm not going to be running slicks anytime soon, so this is just really aggravating. Like, this shouldn't be a problem. This shouldn't be a problem. It's obviously got to go like this, because this is the shortest direction for this. Ugh, but this is in the way. I need rear brakes, so that's got to come first. In order to not cause any more delays on this, I'm just going to bolt these up like this. We'll come back to that. All right, I'm gonna put a fork in this part of it, and let's do rear control arms. Yikes. So you don't want to tighten all this stuff until the car is like at ride height. Okay. I think we can leave that like that, and then there's a little bit of play, which is fine, which will help us get this installed, I think. Some folks have asked, what exactly is a rear axle? It takes engine torque, which is turning this way, and turns it to go forward. It's a big lump with knobs, but right now it does not have the juice. So, to add the juice, they give you a fill plug here in this aftermarket cap, but you don't want to fill it up this high. You want to fill it up to where it starts coming out of this in the front case. So what I'm going to do is open both and then start filling it up. So the first thing I'm going to do is pop this out and put the friction modifier in, but I'm going to try to tilt this upwards a little bit because squeezing this in might not be easy. Actually, you know what I could do? So after I pour some of this in, I could put this right in here, shake it up a little bit, and then pour it in. Because I think it's going to take two of these, around two. So let's take out this front plug. And I'm going to pour this. This smells delightful. And this is important for the clutches in the limited slip. Okay, now I'm going to move you guys over here. Tell me if you see it coming out. Yep, we're close. So I'm going to pinch this off. And I think that's good. Okay. And what we could do is we could wait till tomorrow, finish this installation, and then check for any leaks. Ideally, you don't want it to leak from these axle leaks, the pinion seal that I replaced. Actually, I replaced all these seals, but yeah, you want to make sure that nothing's leaking. Definitely want to make sure that your axle cap is not leaking. Oh my God, it's time. We're doing this. That's what I was afraid of. You know what I need is one of those cradle thingies. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna call it here for today. We're close. It's close. Yeah, we're gonna head into a part 2 for this. Sorry about that. I think we're getting close, but let's see if I can recruit my father-in-law. Hate to do it, but we gotta do a part 2. We made some progress. Shame about that bar. I'm gonna have to figure out something to do with that. Maybe I can cut it and re-weld it, I'm not sure. Yeah, otherwise, we're so close to getting that axle in, it's like tunnel vision. Not sure if I'm gonna be recording any videos next weekend. I'm gonna have to get some help on this. I think I need another jack as well. I think with 2 jacks, I could probably easily place it as long as I can keep it kind of level. So, I'm not sure. Maybe I'll pick up one of those cradle thingies that go underneath. Yeah, so either way, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. I swear that's not me. It's my boy Lucas. Oh, that's going in the bloopers. Alright. I think we got enough out of this one. Cool, can you see in there? Look at that.